How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if a Snapchat sound is not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is check your phone volume. Now to do so, tap on the volume button that you can find or press on the volume button that you can find on the right hand side of your screen where it's normally located. Now once you tap on it, make sure the volume is not completely on the low. And if you still can't hear the sound or if it's not working, what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find the settings option. Now tap on it and your settings will open up. Now scroll down and head into apps. Now once on apps, you can always either scroll and search for Snapchat or you can search in the search bar for Snapchat and your Snapchat pops up. As you can see on the screen right now, open your app and if you scroll down below you'll find the option storage. Now, what you want to do here is try clearing your data and cache. Now, tap on clear data and tap on delete and your Snapchat data should be cleared. Now, do remember to back up your account or remember your ID password before doing so. Because what this does is it basically deletes all your Snapchat data that has been saved and it removes any bug or glitches that's currently an issue with you right now. So, it's basically as uninstalling and reinstalling the app back again without actually having to do so. So once you clear your data, restart your device and open the Snapchat again and you should be able to fix the issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.